Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. Kusama, KSM could hit $91,201 in 2022. Kusama's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem KSM at $51,592 in 2022. Kusama's past all-time high was on 18 May 2021, where KSM was estimated at $621.70 when Kusama's cost simultaneously last week was $64,333. It has moved by 0.24% in the previous week and is presently at $64.49. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, KSM has unloaded by 2,521%. There is a slight negative feeling in the crypto market. The drawn-out feeling, be that as it may, stays bullish and KSM could hit $604.68 in 2023. The all-out circling supply of Kusama, as of compassing this video, was $8,980.98074, and the market cap of KSM stays at $579,199,268. Significant disclaimer: for coins with practically no data of interest and inexistent verifiable information, the model as a matter of course will show a positive cost expectation. It is basically impossible for our AI bot to interpret white paper, tokenomics and group respectability. The coin's value that you are going to see beneath can fall radically contingent upon many elements, so kindly contribute shrewdly in the wake of really taking a look at the group and tasks white paper. This ongoing value expectation is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should rigorously not be taken as a speculation counsel. Albeit the best designers are right now tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has confirmed the cost anticipated beneath, so if it's not too much trouble, utilize your tact and settle on a choice shrewdly. Our Kusama cost forecast model considers a ton of data of interest and factors to give the rough worth of KSM before long to come. No calculation, in any case, can be 100% precise. However, we endeavor to present to you the most reliable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses, remember, Kusama's for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past authentic information. Kusama's absolute exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past verifiable information. Kusama's social opinion for August 2022 and past authentic information. Kusama's impending guide and developer movement for August 2022 and past authentic information. Kusama's large whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. Kusama's cost developments in view of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. Kusama price prediction. Kusama has had a significant 2021. To improve on the most recent KSM cost forecast, we have split the expectation by momentary Kusama cost forecast and long-haul Kusama cost forecast. As of compassing this video, KSM had an exchanging volume of $115.0470. Kusama has increased 21,258% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, Kusama cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of KSM at $54,691, and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $58.52. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, Kusama cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of KSM at $518,177, and the most noteworthy conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $554.45. Kusama cost expectation 12 August 2022. Kusama's cost for 12 August 2022, as per our investigation, ought to run between $58,829 to $67,685, and the typical cost of KSM ought to be around $63,257. Kusama cost expectation 17 August 2022. Kusama's cost for 17 August 2022, as per our examination, ought to go between $56,451 to $64,949, and the typical cost of KSM ought to be around $60.7. Kusama cost expectation 22 August 2022. Kusama's cost for 22 August 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $54,101 to $62,245, and the typical cost of KSM ought to be around $58,173. Kusama cost expectation 1 September 2022. Kusama's cost for 1 September 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to go between $47,317 to $54.44, and the typical cost of KSM it to be around $50,878. Kusama cost expectation October 2022. Kusama's cost for October 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $50,863 to $58.52, and the typical cost of KSM it to be around $54,691. Kusama cost expectation November 2022. Kusama's cost for November 2022, as per our investigation, ought to run between $60,772 to $69.92, and the typical cost of KSM it to be around $65,346. Kusama cost expectation December 2022. Kusama's cost for December 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to go between $70.68 to $81,321, and the typical cost of KSM it to be around $76,000. Kusama's long-term price prediction. Kusama's drawn-out price prediction underneath is a gander at KSM's future possibility concerning cost. Kusama was most recently seen at $64.49, with a market cap of $579.199,268 and exchanging volumes of $115.010,470. KSM's value expectation is conceivable by breaking down authentic cost activity, current turns of events and social opinion from the local area. Kusama cost expectation 2022. Kusama's cost for 2022, as per our examination,